one for the Mopar fans. 1996 Dodge Viper GTS. One owner, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage, little over 30,000. Sold new and owned locally here in our area. Never driven in inclement weather. Summer car, fun car. Of course, that V10 power underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 6-speed manual overdrive transmission. Take a look at the nose cone or front fascia here. You can see that is in nice shape. Viper GTS Blue is what this was called, with the white stripe. If you want to check it out as far as under the hood, interior, undersides of this car, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726, as you can see, riding on the stock Viper wheels, and really free of much of any major nicks or scratches. There's a couple real small. That's not one that just wiped off. I did notice a little spot down there that wiped off. So nothing, again, real major as far as chips, nicks, scratches. Might find a little dust on there from time to time. Interior, kind of the dark charcoal or black leather interior. Of course, bucket seats. Center console with that 6-speed manual gearbox. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Left the keys back here. I was going to show you this does have the rear hatch that will pop, and you'll be able to see all this in the still pictures also. Nice thing about the coupe. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Coming around to the driver's side, again, as clean and nice as the passenger side. This car will also come with the original owner's manual and window sticker, and you can see a picture of the window sticker along with the rest of the still pictures. Take a look at the seat. Of course, not much wear with that kind of miles on it. Condition shows very well in the interior. Now, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out those exact miles right there too, 30,050. No warning indicators, anything like that. That's a door ajar light. There we go. Gauge is all working. This one does have AC, FYI. Power windows. Rear defrost. Dash, good condition. This car will not disappoint. Again, it's what you'd expect out of one owner. This kind of miles on it. Slide out of there. Alright, I'm going to have to pause this a second. Got the clamshell hood. Get that open. Let you check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. No inside pull on this one, by the way. It's up. Show you that for future reference in case we need to know. First release latch right up in here with a pull, and then right here's the second one, and then the clamshell will flip forward. All right, here's that big V10 power. Take a look underneath the hood. See how clean that is. Again, this thing hasn't been driven any sort of inclement weather. It shows runs as it should. What you'd expect. I'll slip around to the other side so you get a shot from the passenger side also. Nothing to hide on this one. 1996 Dodge Viper. GTS, clean Carfax, one owner, always been in our area. A little over 30,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.